How to use a train ticket vending machine. Learning goal. Students will be able to read major information in buying a train ticket.
Last weekend, I took a trip with my family.
This was my first time using the ticket machine to buy a ticket. We usually order tickets online in advance.
The first thing I had to do was choose my departure and arrival station. We were departing from Taipei and arriving in Hualien.
After choosing the stations, I needed to select a time. There were multiple trains available, but we wanted to depart as soon as possible, so I chose the train leaving in 30 minutes.
Luckily, my brother reminded me that we also needed to buy a return ticket to Taipei for the next day.
I had accidentally chosen a single ticket, but on the weekend the trains are crowded, so it would be smart to buy a return ticket to ensure we had seats on the way back.
Luckily, Hualien is a direct train ride from Taipei. There is no need to transfer at any other station.
This means we only needed 2 tickets, one for the ride to Hualien and one for the ride back to Taipei.
The last step was to pay for the ticket. The ticket machine takes cash, so I inserted some money, and it gave me the tickets as well as my change.
As my mother looked at the tickets, she realized there was no seat number on them.
I was confused, but after looking at the ticket machine again, I was relieved to see that there was no option to choose your seat.
The ticket machine only allows you to buy non-reserved seats, which means we were not guaranteed seats, just a spot on the train.
I recalled that some ticket machines do allow you to get reserved seats, but not this one.
While the ticket machine was convenient, we did have to rush to the platform to try to get seats.
All in all, our trip ended up working out and we got seats on the train. Using the ticket machine was definitely a learning experience for me.
The ticket machine is certainly convenient, and they are located in most of the stations in Taiwan, so I am glad I learned how to use them.